In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Basecamp for an agency workflow. If you're running an agency, Basecamp can be your command center for delivering client work consistently and predictably. We'll start with the essentials, then build a repeatable structure you can apply across multiple clients without reinventing the wheel. First, understand how Basecamp is organized. Projects are your containers. Think of each client or major engagement as its own project space. Inside a project, you'll find tools you can turn on or off depending on your workflow. To-dos handle tasks and deadlines. Message boards keep discussions and decisions in one place. Campfire is the quick, real-time chat for day-to-day coordination. Docs and files store deliverables, briefs, and reference materials. Check-ins prompt regular updates without meetings. And templates let you clone a proven setup so you can deliver the same quality every time. Next, define the core project types your agency needs. You'll likely have client delivery projects, such as a website redesign or an ad campaign. Internal operations, like sales and marketing or design standards, and recurring services, such as monthly social media management or reporting. This mental model helps you set up a consistent structure for each kind of work and keeps your account tidy as you scale. Now, set up a project from your Basecamp dashboard by creating a new one. Name it clearly using a consistent pattern, like client, service, phase, so it's easy to scan and filter. Turn on the tools you need. To-dos for planning and execution, message boards for feedback and approvals, docs and files for assets and reference docs, and check-ins for status updates. Use to-dos to outline major milestones and break them into actionable tasks with due dates and owners. Keep message board posts focused on decisions, while Campfire can handle quick questions. In docs and files, add brand guidelines, briefs, and deliverables so everything lives in one spot. To scale your workflow, lean on templates. Build a complete project once with your to-do lists, assignments, folders, and standard documents. Save it as a template, then clone it whenever you onboard a new client or kick off a standard engagement. Adjust dates, owners, and any client specifics, and you're ready to go in minutes. Templates save hours on setup, prevent missed steps, and make your process consistent across teams and clients. Over time, refine the template as you learn, so each new project benefits from your best practices. With these structures in place, your agency will run smoother, communicate clearly, and deliver repeatable results.